Good day, sir. My name is Edgardo Jose Herodias, and I am here to present my system named Fahrenheit and Celsius converter system. Introduction to my system. A Fahrenheit and Celsius converter system is used to convert temperature measurement between the Fahrenheit and Celsius scales. It helps people understand temperature reading used in different countries around the world. Differences of Fahrenheit and Celsius. 1. Freezing point of water 0 degrees Celsius, while the Fahrenheit is 32 degree Fahrenheit. 2. Boiling point of water 100 degrees Celsius, while the Fahrenheit is 212 Fahrenheit. 3. Degree interval Celsius has 100 degree between freezing and boiling. Fahrenheit, it has 100 degree between freezing and boiling. For the usage, Celsius used in most countries worldwide, while the Fahrenheit is mainly used in the United States and few other places. My target user is student. Students use it in science and mathematics classes to solve temperature-related problems. And another one is science. They need accurate temperature conversion for experiment and international research. And the last one is weather forecasters. They can convert temperature when reporting weather to different countries. I am selling this to you, sir, the Fahrenheit and Celsius converter system, because it helps you since you go to school every day. You need to check the weather if it's rainy day or not. And it is fast, accurate, and easy to use solution that helps students, professionals, and travelers instantly convert temperatures with confidence. It helps simplifies calculation, reduces errors, and save time, making it the perfect tool for everyday use.